How to turn off offline mode on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off offline mode on Spotify. Now, the offline mode on Spotify currently will get enabled itself when you're not connected to the internet. So here I've turned off my internet here. So if I just open up Spotify, it'll say me that I'm on the offline mode. You can see Spotify is currently set to offline. Now, if you are on offline mode and then if you connect to the internet, then the offline mode will automatically turn off. Now here you can see the offline mode has been disabled. Now before you had to do it manually. However, if you're still having the issue, your app might not be updated or this feature might not have been available on your region, then like before, what you can do is you can tap on profile icon at the top left, head into settings and privacy, and under playback you should see the option that says offline mode. You can toggle it off from there. So this way you can turn off offline mode on Spotify. Basically all you have to do is connect to the internet connection and go online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.